Mr. Castro, my understanding from meeting with your counsel and counsel for the state is that a plea agreement has been reached in this matter. Are you fully aware of the terms and do you consent to that plea agreement?
I am fully aware and I do consent to it.
You understand that by virtue of the plea, you will not be having a trial.
I am aware of that.
In other words, Mr. Castro, each side feels that they are giving up something in order to reach this agreement. Are you aware of that?
I'm aware of it. And I also like to state that when I first got arrested and interviewed, I told Mr. What is it, Dave? I said to Dave that I was willing to work with the FBI and I would tell him everything.
Law states that a prisoner serving a sentence of life imprisonment without parole under 2929.03 is not eligible for parole, will not receive parole, and will be imprisoned until death. Do you understand this?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe for any reason that you'll be released from prison before you die of natural causes?
Excuse me?
Do you think there's any reason, any hope that you might be getting out of prison before you die?
I don't think there's any reason, no.
So finally, sir, again, do you understand, Mr. Castro, that upon entering this plea, you will never be released from prison?
I do understand that, and I stated that to Dave, what's his last name? The agent, Dave at Sex Crimes, that I knew I was going to get pretty much the book thrown at me.
Okay. Was there any advice given to you by your attorneys that you don't understand? Any questions you have for me at this point?
Not right now. I pretty much understand everything. I put my trust in them because I know they're good lawyers. So there's some things that I have to, I don't comprehend because of my sexual problem throughout my whole years. But pretty much, yes, I understand what they have been telling me.
And they have explained the law to you as it is in Ohio, and you understand that?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you are waiving your right to a jury trial by entering a plea? That you're waiving your right to confront witnesses against you? That you're waiving the right to compulsory process for obtaining witnesses in your favor? That you're waiving, that you're waiving the right to require the state to prove you're guilty on a reasonable doubt at a trial? And do you understand that you cannot be compelled to testify against yourself? Do you understand you're giving up all those specific rights by entering a plea?
I do, Your Honor.
And I will talk with you about those further. Mr. Castro, how old are you, sir?
53 years old.
How far did you go in school?
12th grade. I graduated from Lincoln West High School.
Which is near your house?
Yes.